initiative where will be.
And this is an Indian initiative, not like a Lee Cooper worldwide. This is
No,
been
so-
done here.
Yes, yes.
The Lee Cooper India team.
Lee Cooper
That's fantastic.
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely.
अगर उठा नहीं सकते तो पहन लो.
So we have a very interesting collection of denim differences here. So some lovely washes, we have some very good fabrics.
Even the printed shirts.
Yeah. So you can see a lovely collection of prints.
Yes.
Yes.
Again.
Some very very trendy embroidered shirts. Some textured shirts as well.
Pretty much how I roam around. And this is yours.
Yeah. Good to see you wearing that.
बात करो कितना छोटा होता है
Some lovely checks.
It's properly uniform. You see it from far and you know it's real.
Yeah, sure. And also one polo range, which essentially talks about this is a London brand.
Got rid of that. Chale, let's go to the. Hi, boys and girls, how are you? अरे मैं ट्रैवल करके आया तुम लोग क्यों इतने थक रहे हो? Yeah, thank you. You look so good. I love your whatever you're done with your fashion. I wish it was made out of cigarette butts. Alright, boys and girls, I'm very excited to be here. We all know why we are here. What's happened with Lee Cooper is something very, very special because for the first time, I don't think I've heard something like this before. We've taken cigarette butts and we made fashion out of it. I mean, cigarettes and fashions, these are two very, very different things. And combining them and taking care of pollution this way, in a sustainable way, I think fashion is very important for everybody here. I'm pretty sure. I mean, even if you look like me, my stylist won't approve. But fashion is something that has the language of all ages. It can be, my age, you guys, our parents, everybody. And we take something like this initiative. And by the way, this has not been done across the globe by Lee Cooper. This has been done by Lee Cooper India, which is something that we have to celebrate. I mean, this is something that we have done. This is something that is going to lead the way. People are going to get inspired by this. There are going to be people coming from all across the globe. They're going to be figuring out how did they do it. Kiya kaise inne? How did you guys figure this out? But see, cigarette butts is something that is not biodegradable. It's not gonna, it's not like paper or leaves or something like that, which gets okay with time. It takes hundreds and hundreds of years. And trust me, there are a lot of cigarette butts around. Lot of them. Even when when you're driving, I've seen. I'm sure you guys also know cigarette पी के खिड़की के बाहर जाता ही जाता है. हाँ, अच्छी की शक्ल मत बताओ, मुझे पता तुम करते हो. But imagine, I mean, you've just taken some of that guilt away from us. मैं नहीं पीता हूँ. Well, you've taken that guilt away from us. I want to know how did this happen? Like, what was the thought process? एक दिन आप उठे, आपके हाथ में सिगरेट का बट्टा, और आपने कहा मैं इससे jeans बनाऊँगा. Something like that. Please let us know.
That's not true, Karan. Yeah, I don't smoke. And we wish for a smoke-free world. That's the first step. Like we do not encourage smoking at all. And definitely not only impacts the health of the people, but also the environment and the people around you. Because I was reading somewhere, we almost end up releasing 65 billion tons of carbon CO2 in the environment, by a number of people that we have smoking on this earth. So definitely we discourage that, and if at all people do, the least that they can do is be mindful of the litter that is created and dispose it off at the right place. So meaningful, usable things like this can be created, and we can eliminate that from our environment because it's a non-biodegradable stuff which takes years and years, more than 12 years least, to decompose and then turn into something else. So it is a brainchild of the Lee Cooper Indian marketing team. We just got a thought, and because we are master of denims in true sense, right? We created a number of denims. I don't know if you heard. We were the first denim brand in the world to introduce a female denim wear with front zip. So the jeans that you guys are wearing with the front zip, you can thank Lee Cooper for that. Because until then, in Europe or around the world also, we had female jeans with a back zip. So I think we were the first one to bring that innovation, and many more such innovations, and this is going to add another milestone to Lee Cooper's legacy and journey. So बस एक दिन ऐसा ख्याल आया, फिर हमने worked on it, we researched, we found a sustainability partner like Code Effort, well-known company since last 15 years. So they've created soft toys and other stuff out of that. But denim and out of denim jeans was never ever created. And like you all heard, you all saw, it takes around 600 cigarette butts to create one pair of jeans. So I think with each pair of jeans we can eliminate 600 cigarette butts out of our life. Excited, happy? Woo! So guys, आपने सुना, you heard us, you saw the entire process, the journey. Now do you all want to witness the product firsthand?
Yes.
But yes is not that. Yeah. That's about it, guys. Can we have the product here? Sorry, innovation. Let's call it innovation. Can I request you? Guys. Guys, 1, 2, go! Big round of applause!
Beautiful.
Not bad, guys.
And these are made of cigarette butts, by the way.
I'm so glad I'm the first one to be holding this. That's something.
You're part of the history, and so is me, and so is everyone out there. So guys, this is made out of recycled material, and like you said, 600, the fabric that you use is made out of cigarette butts, recycling cigarette butts, almost 600 butts in one pair of jeans. The tags also that you see are made of eco-friendly paper. The buttons, the trims that you see is everything made out of non-toxic and without using harmful chemicals. And moreover, as you know, the jeans usually have a plastic or a leather patch at the back, right? This is made out of wooden cloth, which is as natural as it can be. So, all yours, एक photo हो जाए, and then we can have that display.
This is me being part of history. So glad.
Just one minute.
So many
One
ways.
minute. Just one minute. And you put the claim also. This is our official claim now. Yeah, exactly. Which Lee Cooper owns. Yeah. On display for everyone now. Take a look at it.
World's first winner of cigarette butts.
Just like that. So that he can.
Now,
Thank you so much, Karan. Thank you so much for joining us today. It was lovely having you guys. Please give it up for Karan Kundra.
First of all, I think I'll start from how I felt. I felt very proud to be a part of this initiative because हमने beach clean किए हैं, हमने tough plastic से benches बनाए हैं, उनको promenades पे रखा है. That's one process happening. और अब जब मुझे पता चला कि ऐसा कुछ होने वाला है कि world's first denims made out of plastic buds, even if it is a small thing, it is something that is innovative. And innovation, जब आप उसको fashion के साथ ले आते हो तो उसका ना scale बहुत बढ़ जाता है because fashion is something that is universal, सबको चाहिए और बार चाहिए, and fashion is a big industry. और अगर 600 बर्ड्स कर हमने अगर एक बड़ा इम्पैक्ट किया तो वो सिगरेट बर्ड्स जो होते हैं ना वो बायोडिग्रेडेबल नहीं होते हैं, बहुत साल लगते हैं अगर आप उनको कहीं फेंक दो या कहीं मिट्टी में डाल दो. सो एंड मोर इम्पॉर्टेंटली ये इंडियंस ने किया है. This is Lee Cooper India that has done it. So this is something that I'm very happy that they chose me for this association. And as a brand, Lee Cooper is one of the oldest brands in the world, and so I think we've come together to for something very good. To be honest, first of all, God has been very kind. बट एट द एंड ऑफ द डे जब मैं स्ट्रेस आता है किसी भी चीज़ का तो मैं 15 साल पीछे चले जाता हूँ, जब मुझे नहीं पता था कि मैं एक दिन एक्टर बन जाऊँगा या मैं एक दिन ऐसे खड़ा हूँगा, इतनी लाइटें होंगी, इतनी माइक्स होंगी। तो मैं कहता हूँ मैं तब भी खुश था ना जब नहीं पता था। अब आगे मुझे नहीं पता क्या होने वाला है, तो मैं आज इंजॉय करता हूँ। सो अगर यहाँ पर भी पहुँचाया है भगवान ने तो वो भी मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है, और अगर यहाँ पर मेरी जर्नी एंड भी होती तो उसके लिए भी मैं बहुत ग्रेटफुल हूँ। बट फिल्म और एक Amazon मिनी का शो ऑलरेडी आ चुका है, एक मैं ख़त्म करके आया हूँ अभी शूट। इट्स बिन अ वेरी आई एम वेरी ग्रेटफुल कि 2024 इट्स बिन अ फैंटास्टिक ईयर। बहुत अलग अलग स्पेक्ट्रम के काम कर रहा हूँ मैं, एंड या आई मीन इट्स एक्साइटिंग, सम ऑफ द थिंग्स आर वेरी एक्साइटिंग, और जिसे कहते हैं ना कि अच्छे चीज़ों को वक्त लगता है, बट आई वोंट डिसअपॉइंट, दैट्स फॉर श्योर। थैंक यू गाइस, थैंक यू। हाँ जी।